What's up, everybody? Today we're going to a thrift store, waiting for my wife and kids to get in the car, and then we're going to leave and we'll see what we get and hopefully pick up some good stuff. We'll see you when we get back. Soaking wet. More stuff?
Yes.
My bag's getting full.
You gotta figure that out. Jesus Christ, it's hot.
Yeah, it is. I need some more lights.
Yeah, we're gonna replace these. But
Yeah. They used to work, right?
yeah.
I feel like the last time I was in here they were working.
Yeah, my ladder's kind of sketchy, so I don't really want to get up.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I got a flashlight. It's all good. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That was a pretty large staple.
It just went off when I pushed it down. Alright, I think I'm about done.
Ready?
Yeah. My kids loaded me up too, so like, one of them got clothes, a couple of them got toys. About half of it's clothes though, I think. My 14-year-old is into the retro look nowadays, so.
How about 20 for everything?
Alright, I can do that. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, we ended up getting another truck today too, so.
Oh, did y'all?
Yeah, it was only like a quarter of a truck.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of knew you knew what you were doing when you came out with that blue bag.
Yeah, well, I had a couple things in my hands, and my daughter came with her arm really close. I said, go get the bag out of the truck.
Go get the bag.
All right, so we're back now. It's a little bit later in the day. If I got it on camera or not, but it started pouring down as soon as we got to the thrift store. It's pretty soaking wet around here already. It's finally stopped raining. Much like today, I cooled off a little bit. Let me show you what we got at the thrift store. Actually, first let me start with this. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It's temperature controls for AC for a, they said a 99 Honda Civic. There's more than one piece in here. They said they ordered it, never used it. It is pre-owned. But ordered it, never used it, and they were giving it away for free. So yeah, I went and got that for free today. Not too bad for free. Looks like all the pieces might be there. And they still have stuff in the priority mailbox. They bought it in. Peanuts. Alright. This is what we got from the thrift store. These clothes, okay, the whole bag was $20 for the whole bag. Typically that's the way they do it at this place. They'll usually just bundle everything together. So these are all my daughters. So this isn't really for resale, but about half the stuff is clothes probably. She's got very unique taste right now. Alright, so yeah, that pile of clothes, and she got this Sound of Music record because she's in the records also. She's 14, so. Alright, this is the rest of it. Let's start with these. I got these two hats. They're the older mesh snapbacks. They say Maverick Electric Supply. They have a longhorn on them. Pom-poms on the top. I've sold pom-pom hats before. It might take a little bit, but somebody will buy those. This new old stock. They get a lot of donated stuff from garage sales. Whenever it doesn't sell, they'll send it to this thrift store. So, micro vacuum attachment kit, Auric XL. I grabbed this. Probably not going to sell this. It actually has NCAA Football 07 in it. My youngest one, she said she's a gamer and she likes football games, so that's for her. I don't know what these are, so I picked them up. They look like little angel heads or something. So it went in the box. They have little halos on them. Oh, let's see next. I got these three things. This is an Xbox 360 adapter. This is a Nintendo adapter. I don't think they're old. This one I believe is old. This is a RFU adapter for PlayStation 2. I don't know if they have much value or not. I'll look them up and see. If not, I'll just keep them for using for testing things and whenever I get something that I need those for. Let's see. I haven't opened this up yet. It says Fleer Football 1990 set and it has the sticker on the side. Sounds like a bunch of cards in there. Don't know if they're worth a whole lot, but I mean I didn't pay a whole lot for them really. I got some of these. I went to the thrift store not that long ago and I got a whole bag of these curtain things for like $10. I found these are the same brand. I don't know if they're worth anything. I listed a few of the other. This is a corner adapter. I listed some of those already, and I think there was a couple finials that I listed. The problem is that some of them didn't have matches, and I'm not sure how well one will sell. I think they mostly sell in like the sets. That's more of a medallion type thing, and that one's actually broken, so Yeah, oh, there's a piece in there. Somebody used it for a craft piece or something. Or I'll donate it back. I grabbed these adapters because they were in the same box as this thing. This is some sort of receiver for this wireless outdoor speaker system. They didn't have the whole system, but they did have this little receiver. I wasn't sure if one of those went to it, so I just went ahead and grabbed the whole lot. There was a note in here that said something. Batteries no longer charge. Great sound plugged in, need a receiver. I don't know. So I'll look into it and see what it is. See what's going on with it. Maybe might have been a bad buy. I didn't get a whole lot of great stuff today, I don't think. Transport category aircraft systems. I wasn't going to buy any books. I've been trying to stay away from a lot of books, but this looked interesting. It's about airplanes, of course, and it's got like a lot of different diagrams. It does have some highlighting. Different diagrams of different planes and controls and all sorts of interesting things. Somebody in the airplanes would probably really like that. I'm not sure if it's worth anything, so we'll see. Brand new cassette tapes, new old stock Radio Shack XR90. So yeah, I always pick those up. Save enough till I get a lot, or lot them up with something else. This looks like a pretty nifty stapler. It's two finger 65 sheet power. Paper Pro is a professional 65. It sounds like a gun going off when you staple something. I tried it out in the thrift store. Yeah, so we'll give that a look and see if it's worth anything. I thought this was interesting. It's an Air Force mug. It says, when it absolutely positively has to be destroyed overnight. Not too bad a shape. No nicks or anything. It needs to be cleaned up, but I kind of stopped picking up mugs too, but this one was just interesting, so I had to get it. I like the graphic on this one. I see these every now and then, but this one was kind of cool. This is a coffee bag, Cafe de Costa Rica. It's got a big parrot on it. Those really cool colors, so might be worth something. Let's go. Let's see what else we got. I don't know if this is like a TINS thing or something. Electronic massager, it says. I don't know, but it looks like it's brand new. Close to it. I don't know. I didn't open it up. Somebody's trying to sell it for $12.50. Yeah, so I'll look into that, see if it's worth anything. This is something that goes for a camera, for a tripod. I know some of these are rather expensive if you find the right ones. Fortunately, it doesn't have a name on it that I can see yet. Yeah, I'll just have to do some research, see if I can figure out what it is. I mean, some of these aren't worth anything. Some of these older ones, if you get the right one, I mean, $20 maybe. We'll see. See if I can find it. I just grabbed these because I don't know if they're worth anything. Little bowls, Texas Rangers, 2 of them. Somehow I got some loose marbles in here. I think they were in one of the cups or something I put in here. And I got a bunch of receipts in here. This is the bag I take stuff to the post office in. A lot of times my post office receipts will end up in the bottom. So, oh yeah, here's my, this is from today. Yeah, this is from today. There's my receipt. So, yeah, $20 for the whole lot. Let's see. Also got this. It's just the tape measure and the level, and it's got a Paragon Electric Company Inc. advertising. Some of these are worth a little bit by themselves. I got another 2 or 3 that's like little advertising tape measures, and I'll throw it in that lot if it's not worth anything by itself. Somebody was selling it for $1 originally. I thought these were kind of cool, the old Kodak, and these are metal. This one's a metal. There's nothing in there, and I think this one's metal. Old color film. Somebody might want these for some kind of display or something. These two are plastic, but they're the older ones. This is a Kodachrome 2. Actually, that one's metal too, isn't it? Yeah, that one's metal too. And I don't know about that one. That's a Kodachrome 25 film for color slides. I thought that might be a nice little thing to lot up. We'll see. And then the last thing is this ruler. It kind of looks like it's missing some pieces. It might be. I'll have to look into it. Lawrence Engineering Service, Peru, Indiana, made in USA. It definitely looks like it's missing something, maybe. It does have the slide in the middle. Maybe that's all of it then. Some of these little slide rules can be worth a little bit. I don't know about this one. We'll see. It looks like maybe it should have had something on the edges though. But as cheap as everything is altogether, I usually, if I see it and it's interesting, I'll go ahead and pick it up. And that is it. Yeah, most of the stuff at the thrift stores I don't look up because I got no internet service in that particular thrift store. It's just, it doesn't, I guess it's the big metal building maybe, but it doesn't pick up, I don't pick up service in there for some reason. But that is it. All right. Not a great haul of stuff, but some little things. I'll look them up, get them listed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, stop meowing at the ceiling fan and just make up your mind. For Christ's sake, jump!